Hey, I want to talk to you about my Rhinestone fashion glasses. So, as you can tell, they're pink, and just about everything I own is pink because of flamingos. But I am headed out on a cruise, and we are going to be doing a pink night. So, this is the perfect accessory that I need for my costumes is a pink. So, let me show you exactly what you get. Now, you get this nice little cleaning towel, which helps because let's face it, this isn't glass and they scratch really easy. So if you're using a paper towel or something like that on this lens, you're going to scratch them. So that's why you want to use the towel that came with them. And then once you get them all nice and clean, they supply you with this nice little bag to keep your fashion sunglasses in and ready to go. These are just a great accessory for any type of costume that you may be putting together, or a very inexpensive way to bedazzle up your next outfit. And that's just my honest opinion.